Guys, I'm going to show you a simple way to print custom pages from a PDF file. Since Make doesn't allow any software like Qt PDF or Nitro PDF, which is available in Windows, to do this task, I'm going to show you a simple way on by which you do not require any additional software to do to save a range of pages from a PDF file. Um, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Since this is a Acrobat DC reader, um, I do not have a paid version to do any editing in this PDF file. And since if I do Command P, I do not have any option to save PDF. So let me show you how to do this task just using your favorite web browser. So for this video I'm going to show you with Safari and Chrome. So let me show you with Safari first. Open the PDF file with Safari like this, as and this is a big book. I think it is more than 5 pages. I just need for this video I just need to print 5 pages on a separate file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this pages option to range, and for and here I'm going to say 1 to page 5. This is over here. I'm going to do save as PDF, and I'm going to say any file save as PDF, and I'm going to save this on desktop, save, and I'm just going to close this. So yeah, as you can see, this is saved now, and this is only 5 pages. So our task is done here. Let me show you the same thing on Chrome. So do that. So to do that, you have to open your file in Google Chrome here, and right here it is open here. And what you're gonna do, press command P, and here you can see there is a destination says save as PDF, so which is available in Chrome directly. And here I'm going to, for the pages, I'm going to say custom. I need pages 1 to 5, and here I'm going to say save, and here on the desktop I'm going to say save as PDF Chrome. I'm going to save this, to close this. You can see here it has been saved. Name of the file is save as PDF Chrome. So yeah, that's it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.